And Rasool, you know, he's the best cinematographer. So how did he show you? Ela chupicharu mimmalni?
I always tell everyone, in real life, I'm a 2 out of 10. He's made me look like an 8 out of 10. I am not that good looking.
No, you are. You're completely good looking. I can give you 10 out of 10 actually.
Rasool has done a wonderful job. Yeah,
Okay.
he is, Ravi being a new time director, Rasool was a big help.
Okay.
You know, Rasool is very, very established, and he's someone, he knows, like, he's open to, you know, new ideas and new thoughts. So, you know, he'll be like, let me do it this way. And I've never seen anyone take so much interest.
Even the banners and all are like really awesome.
Yeah, that's what.
I've seen them. They're all very good.
Because I think,
completely different.
yeah, this movie, I think, you know, everyone put in 150% to make sure that the end product is 100%.
Okay.
You know, all of us have gone out of our way. You know, like, funny thing is, this movie we shot in about 50 days or 60 days,
Okay.
which is for a full-length, full-fledged movie, it's very
days,
less.
huh? Okay.
It's very less. Like, normally it would take like at least 3-4 months.
Then
you
lots
know?
of stress and lots of pressure, I guess.
Yeah, so we were working every day, day in, day out, some days doing day and night shooting, and, you know, working on Sundays. Like I think there was a time when for 20 days we just worked every day, you know. But you will not hear anyone saying that, I don't want to come for shooting. Everyone's like, okay, tomorrow what's happening? You know, that energy was always there. Everyone wanted to make a lovely product. They wanted the end product to be good. So everyone worked towards
And
that.
you're really energetic, so obviously I think the whole, you know.
No, I'm not. I was just really excited, you know, because as you know, obviously, see, as a newcomer, you don't want to be branded as anything.
Yeah.
You don't want to be known as, you know, okay, she only has a good face, or she's only good for this.
This
or
only Western wear.
only
so-
Western, or only
Yeah.
Indian, or you
Yeah.
know, only those homely roles, only glamorous. You don't anybody. I'm not only
You're
talking
ready
about
to do
myself.
any role?
As a newcomer, I want to do, yeah, or, you know, you want to do all sort of roles. You want to do like this and that and X, Y, Z.
Yeah.
But, you know, because you need to grow as an actor. Otherwise, how will you grow? You need to do roles which are, you know, sometimes not like the person you are in real life, which is what Nandini of Wanted is for me.
Yeah.
She's serious. She's
Your name in the movie is Nandini?
yeah, it's Nandini.
Okay.
You know, she's serious. She's a doctor. She is come from a village. She's come to the city. You know, so her life and Deeksha Seth's life are very different.
Okay.
Whereas if I take Pooja or Vaishali, yeah, we have some common stuff. You know,
Okay,
they were college girls. I'm a college girl. You know, they came from like you know, families like the sort of families I come from. Okay, not that my dad's a don or anything.
Yeah.
But still, you know.
Yeah. Your
So-
character Virpaka is like similar to what?
No, like, but in the sense that, you know, they're like me, like bubbly and chilled out, and, you know, I was playing like characters like that. But Nandini is serious, and she is
Homely, matured and all
very
that.
mature, and, you know, for a 19-20-year-old girl to play someone so mature, body language, everything, it took a lot of effort. So I hope
Okay.
people like it.
దిల్లు మేరా ధక్ ధక్ దిల్లు మేరా ధక్ ధక్ నువ్వు నాకు దక్కినందుకే ఓ ఓ
तू ही मेरा लक लक तू ही मेरा दिक्कु मुक्कु पక్కనుంటే రెక్కలందుకే
నవ్వుల్లో 7 o'clock బ్లడ్ ఉన్నదే నన్నేమో పెన్సిల్ లాగా చెక్కిస్తున్నదే హే గుండెకున్న కిటికీ తెరిచినది లడికి అడ్డు ఆపు లేదు మనకి
How is it working in the southern industry? Southern industry చేయడం మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Extremely nice. You know, I think most important part is when you're Indian, I feel that we just get so caught up in north
Yeah.
and east and south and all.
I know.
At the end of the day, we're all in India. Not that I've gone to China to work or something, that it's a big, oh my god, you know. So, and I have lived in Chennai for about 4-5 years.
Okay.
And my parents live in Hyderabad now.
Oh, seriously,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
it's
so
not
Telugu
that.
కొంచెం అర్థమవుతుంది. You can talk?
I can understand
Okay.
fully.
Completely.
I can't like say full sentences. In a
Okay.
sentence, I can maybe like, you know.
ఏమేమి వచ్చి తెలుగులో కొంచెం చెప్పండి.
Everyone asks me this question always. I get confused. I can't say like this.
చెప్పు, it's okay. Just
Um,
try talking.
No, like if if you meet people, andarki namaskaram, మీరు బాగాన్నారు, and you know, stuff like that. That's fine.
Okay.
But like if you tell me now, say 5 lines, no,
Okay.
I won't be able to say it. But if you talk to me,
You can have a conversation. Conversation చేయగలుగుతావు కానీ కంప్లీట్లీ ఒక 5-6 sentences
I'll
చెప్పలేవు.
maybe you know, like I'll be like I don't even know how to say, like you know, like small stuff, like if I want to ask for something, I can say that. If I want to give something, I can say that. But I still can't make full sentences.
Okay. కొన్ని
I can't.
మూవీస్ చేస్తే I think you'll get
Yeah, you get used to it.
Used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when I was doing Vedam, I couldn't even understand what they were speaking.
Okay.
You know, During Mirpaka, I started understanding,
Right.
and now during Wanted, I've understood, you know. But still, like there's what I've noticed here. There are many different types of
Languages, yeah.
yeah.
In Telugu also they are like
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
Yeah.
So suddenly someone saying something and they're like, no, we're speaking Telangana. This and I'm just like, I didn't learn one and now you're speaking something else, you know. So, but the basic gist I've got, yeah. If you speak to me like the normal casual when you're sitting with friends and all, that I understand.
ఏవో పిచ్చి వేషాలు చిలిపి వేషాలు మనసు వేస్తోందిలే ఏంటో కాగుడింతాలు గురుతుకే రావు మరచిపోయానులే.
Whom are you taking as your inspiration?
For what?
In the film field.
In here.
Yeah,
like,
who's your favorite actress, I meant?
here?
Yeah.
Anushka.
Anushka. Okay. You already acted in Vedam along with her, right?
Yeah,
Anushka.
you know, one is her acting, the other is the person she is. Like, I remember when I met her in the audio launch of Vedam.
Okay.
You know, being such a senior star, she'd come and she'll give you a hug, and you know, she's like, she keeps in touch constantly, and there's just this warmth about her, which I haven't found in too many people. So I really like that. I like the fact that she's there right on top, but
But still very down to earth.
very, very down to
Yeah, I
earth,
know.
which is like what I look up to, you know.
Yeah. And favorite actor?
Favorite actor, I love all the actors I've worked with.
Okay.
Because I've worked with them, you know, and the same thing.
You know them personally,
Yeah, even
so-
Anushka, because I've met her.
Yeah.
You know, others, it's just an image you have of them.
Yeah.
So till I don't meet them, I don't work with them, I won't be able to really say.
So itlunda ఎవరైనా particular hero to act చేయాలి with this hero, so and so hero I have to act. Anything, let it be Bollywood, let it be Tollywood, Telugu
It has to be Hrithik.
Ritika.
I love Hrithik. Like, I think
Crazy,
he's
yeah?
so cute, and you know, he's one of those. He doesn't look Indian. He just, you know, it's like you get a foreign guy, but he's Indian still.
Yeah.
You know. So, but he's married and all. So,
So-
I just want to work with him, nothing else. But yeah, I find him very cute.
Okay, then in Telugu, you want to act with some particular hero, you want to act
If I'm talking about good looks, it has to be Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh
He's
Babu.
very, very good looking.
very good
yeah.
looking, seriously.
A for angel నువ్వేలే, B for boy నేనేలే, C for catch నే పడతానే, D for దోస్తి నే కడతానే.
A for English ముద్దలతో